In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize product pictures in Shopify, providing you with the tools you need to make your online store look professional and polished. First, let's navigate to your Shopify store. Simply open your web browser, enter your Shopify admin URL, and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. It's an essential hub where you can access all the features Shopify offers to manage your store effectively, from inventory to orders. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar, which contains a series of menu options. Click on the Products tab. This action will take you to a comprehensive list of all the products you currently have listed in your store. It's akin to a virtual warehouse, neatly displaying every item you're selling. By clicking Products, you're stepping into the core of your Shopify operations. Now find the product you wish to edit. For illustration purposes, let's say it's Example Shirt 2. Click on this product to open its dedicated page. This is where